Hello, my name is Nihal and today we are with this mighty 22 tons class excavator of Liugong 922E XD. Today we are going to attempt a challenge which is of 9 features of this machine in 20 seconds. Let us cover it. Let's start. Cummins 6-cylinder turbocharged 148 HP engine along with the Kawasaki Japan hydraulics 5.7 meter boom, 2.4 meter arm, 1.0 cubic meter of HD bucket along with 1.15 GP bucket as well, 600 mm width of the track, and this 7 rollers and standard AC cabin along with the HD display. How much?
Time is 19.68 seconds.
That's great. So this is 922E XD machine of Liugong. Let us tune for more videos like this. Thank you.